YouTubers, here we go. It is Monday, July 16th. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. Excuse me. We have another unboxing to do. I think it's Amazon, I'm not sure. But it is Prime Day, just about to start. And this is coming from, looks like Beantown Tea and Spices. Oh, good old Boston. Good old Boston. And now they got to offer, let's see, refreshing iced tea. What is this? There we go. Oh, we got some other goodies in here. And, oh boy, we got some tea bags from Boston. Boom. Apricot tea. That one. And then we got this one. Beantown. 180, 2 spoons, 3 to 5 minutes. White tea, blueberries, all natural. So, got a little of this. Beantown. Check them out, YouTubers. Link is going to be down below. And I think it might be at Amazon also. Just don't remember. So really cool. But I think that's about it for today, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good one. And see you guys soon. See ya.